Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Roblox password without email or phone number using your PC. So let's begin. Now here is the login window. In the login window, let's click on forget password or username. Now here you will need to insert your username, email or phone number. But after inserting username, you will need to insert your email or phone number. So this option will not be very helpful. So what we're going to do is click on help on the bottom side. After going to the support section, you need to search here. Let's search for password here. And then I have found an option called I forgot my password. So I can click here. And now we need to scroll all the way down. Then we need to click on customer support here. After that, we need to insert our date of birth to continue. And after inserting the date of birth, you will find the contact us window. From here, you need to insert your username, but if you have forgotten, you don't need it because it's optional. Then you have to insert your first name, but it's also optional. But if you remember these informations, make sure to provide them. Since I remember my informations, I will provide them accordingly. Now, email address is important. If it is not your Roblox email address, it needs to be an email address that the support team can contact you with. So as you can see, I have inserted the email addresses here. And now we need to select which device I'm having problem on. So I'll select PC. Then type help category. We select account hacked or can't logged in. And now subcategory type, we need to go for forget password. After that, we need to describe our issue. So then you can write a formal description to the support team, and after that you can click on continue over here. So after you have clicked continue, the support team will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours and then guide you through how to reset your password. And that is how you will be able to reset your password without email or phone number. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.